Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to make together the recipe for chicken with mustard and fresh cream. This is a very easy recipe to make. We will immediately see together how to do this in pictures. We start by mixing the veal stock with a quantity of hot water. Let's get ready. In your cooking pot, pour little oil and heat over medium heat. Drop the chicken pieces into the oil. With a brush, apply a good layer of mustard, salt, pepper, flip the pieces to the other side when they are colored. When both sides are colored, remove the pieces. Remain on low heat and add the onion. Cook it over very low heat for just 1 minute. Then add the mushrooms and always over very low heat. Cook for 2 minutes. Then put the chicken pieces back in your cooking pot. Add all the mustard. Mix. Then add the veal stock. Then the liquid fresh cream. The chicken cooks very quickly. Let it boil on a very low heat for 22 minutes with a lid on. But stir very often so that it doesn't burn. After 22 minutes of small boiling, you can remove the pieces. We are now going to thicken the sauce to a liking. Mix 1/3 spoon of cornstarch with 5 tablespoons of cold water. Bring the sauce to a boil over very low heat and pour 1 teaspoon at a time until you obtain the desired smoothness. You can top your chicken pieces and serve. Good appetit, my friends. As for me, see you soon for the next recipe video.